Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ava, and right now we are going to the beach and we're gonna have a nice beach day with my family. Now that I told you what I'm doing for this video, I want to say, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button if you have not already, so you get a notification whenever I post. And if you have not liked, do it now, because I think we can do it. We can get to 23 likes. Let's try that. So, right now, we're on our way, and I'm super excited, but we're also stuck in traffic. So.
Hey.
And I have my naked strawberry banana juice.
We're in the car. We just have to.
Yummy. So right now we're at Little General to get sandwiches and another snack. So I got a sandwich and a Blow Pop. I almost said Tootsie Pop, but it's a Blow Pop. This was amazing. We were sitting by the boats, and it was the best time ever. I had such a great time because I finally got this perfect shot of me doing a handstand with the waves crashing against me. We went out to eat, and it was amazing. The food was great, and we all had just an amazing time. So I just got back from the beach, and I'm gonna take the longest nap ever. I'm so tired. Anyways, guys, I just woke up from my 3-hour nap. I feel better. Still tired. So, please like. I already said that, but just if you have not already, please like, subscribe. Again. So, I really hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Bye, guys.